Good morning, Eastview, on this rainy, gray day. Goodness. But we'll make the best of the day today. So you have your Robotic 2 Helper QOD. I think you guys will have some fun with that one. Your answers to the QOD yesterday were great, too. Some of you guys had people making robots that could, travel in time and bend space. I mean, all kinds of crazy stuff. So those were fun to take a look at. Coding 2 today, we're just continuing from yesterday. Honestly, it's more about putting in a good 30 minutes of work, see how far you can get, and again, your feedback is what I really care about today. Your grade, I'm giving you that. I'm basing on the feedback and how far did you go. That's it. So just put in some good work today, and you're done. You get tomorrow off, and we'll pick up with a whole new program on Monday. So have a great weekend as well.